Good afternoon, ladies and
gentlemen.
I'm Artemis.
I'm Joe.
Thank you so much for watching our live. Due to the impact of the coronavirus, the Canton Fair is different from the past since 2020. We have abandoned the way of traditional exhibition and changed to the way of online live broadcasting exhibition. This is also an emergent sales method.
Before beginning our live show, let me show our sample room first. As you can see, it contains many of our factory products, and today we want to show you its model.
Yeah, this exhibition contains a variety of models, including fan motor and washing machine motor.
Yes.
Yeah, here we would like to introduce the function of fan motor to you first.
Okay, guys. First of all, the motor turns off container, then to draw the fan blades turn smoothly. This is key to starting the fan. Let's take closer look in this sample. Just like you see, and then the motor is started, and the
Front shelf.
Yes, front shelf, the hand, and the game box, cut yoke, spring, and the bolt spring washer. You type cool. When the well, screw fitting and nutting. So have many small parts assembled into fan motors.
Yeah, we have many types of fan motors. We can distinguish from ball bearing, stator size, the speed, and the material. For the ball bearing, you could choose with
Yes.
ball bearing or not. And for stator size, there are 16, 18, and 20, 22, 25 inches available. And for the speed, normal speed is 1,300 rows per minute, and while high speed can up to 2,200 rows per minute. And for the material, we can choose wire for aluminum or the copper wire.
Yes, I know. So, I know some customer maybe have such questions. There are a lot of factories which matter of fan motors. Why choose our company?
Well, that's a good question. I have much confidence to make you choose our products. In fact, our fan motor have many advantages.
Yes, they have the strong stability, high patience of motor components, and which low other design, which make great improvement of operating efficiency.
There are four more spotlights of our great fan motors. The first one is second stator. It can help to protect the internal structure of the motor and to ensure the stability of the motor structure.
Yes, and the second hand, spool lighting is slowly rating. It use high quality lubricating or to choose motor resistance and impulse speed.
And the next is motor power. Due to the different materials and process, our rotor is stronger, the speed is higher, and the air supply is larger.
The light spool light is lower nose design. The motor is no nose when motor is working and well started. Bring you and your family good and comfortable sleep environments.
we have introduced our fan motors to you just now, including the fan motors features and advantages. I believe that you already have a certain understanding of our fan motors. Now, let me recommend two popular models to you.
Yes, looking here, this model is hot cell type.
Yes, these two models are very hot cell in Bangladesh. And the first type is the desktop fan motor. 是这个吗?
Yes.
And it is adapted to 16 inches fan with aluminum wire and capacitance. This capacitance.
Yes.
And the speed is 1,250 row per minute. And the second type is this one. It is a 18 inches aluminum wire table fan motor. This one is high speed with capacitance. And the speed is 2,300 row per minute. Compare the two models. The biggest difference between them is the stator thickness and the run speed. One is 16 and another is 18. And the run speed is 1,250 and another one is 2,300 row per minute. 6 inches fan motor means the motor's stator thickness. Motor's stator thickness here is 16 millimeter, and stator's length is 71 millimeter, and the working voltage is 220 volts, and the maximum power is 45 watts, and run speed can be up to about 1,250 each minute.
So, what the specification of 18 inch for the motors?
18
Yes.
inch. Yes, 18 mm thickness stator. The length also the 71 mm. The working voltage is also 220 volts. But the maximum power is 62 watts. And this type is high speed, which can be up to 2,300 runs in 1 minute.
Yes, that's all. Then the detail about two models and more one thing. We explore them two type of motor is in great quality every year. My factory producing this over time. MOQ is very small, but many customer is ordering in 10 containers. If you have the interesting, please quickly talk us.
Yeah, and okay, let me show you other types of fan motors. So, these two, 这些吗? Okay, everybody, please keep your eyes on these 3 fan motors. 这哪3个? 这3个. They are all look different on the outside. These are regular design fan motor. The white shell motor have outer gearbox. Yes. This one is outer gearbox. Is the 20 inches table fan motor. Here is 20 inches table fan motors, and the material is aluminum wire and with 1.5 UF capacitor. And it is hot cell type in Southeast Asia.
Yes, second model. Just you like 6. It has the sinks stator just 25 mm. It means the stator has better heat, patience, and strong power. Then material is copper wire. It's better quality and will not catch the problems.
Okay, and the last one is 最后一个是哪个? And the last one also the regular table fan motor. It is 16 inches motor with 1.5 UF capacitor, whose wire winding is made up of aluminum. And the details is on the poster. Details. And this is front cover and this link and rotor and stator, high quality, and this one is high quality copper cone and rear cover here, and the capacitor and PP plastic gearbox.
Then motor products are made by from companies, factories. We have our families, so you can guarantee good quality and prevent its better table motor fans to you with good price.
Okay, now
this one.
哪5个？ Okay, now do you see these 5 models on the table? There is no doubt that these are the types we are going to introduce now. So let's show you one by one. The first one.
The first one type is 20-inch fan motor, which you looking. The ball bearing and 1.8 capacitor, and the material is copper inside. Looking inside, huh? The built-in bolt. Shorter means the motor can be more tunable and less noise. I wholly recommend this product, suitable for many electric fans.
Okay, and this one is 16 inches table fan motor. This stator size is 66 mm multiply 66 multiply 16 mm. The length here is 66, and here is 16 mm, and also with aluminum wire bending, and it is very small model.
Yes. This model, who says this 18.4 mm, and here is 16 mm. The start is longer, more long than another types, up to 74. This one also with 1.5 mini capacitor, and this one material is aluminum. Inside this aluminum wire windows. Then the shelf also aluminum.
Okay. Now let me show you another thin type. You may notice that it doesn't look like any other models. Well, this type is applicable for box fan and not for table fan. So also the hot cell model around the world, and this model is suitable for 12 inches fans, and it has 14 mm 6 stator, and the stator is outside. And please take a closer look on this sample. You will see it has 5 wires. 5 wires here. Each wire connects to a different function terminal. Box fan motor is widely used, and in this case, the motor may be damaged in some cases, so you'd better choose good quality motor to replace it, like this one. And the last one the last one we want to show is exhaust fan motor. It looks simple than the one I showed just now. And this model, you could choose 10 inches or 12 inches. 10 inches is 38 watts, while 12 inches is 45 watts. There are only 3 wires on it. Here only 3 wires. And since it doesn't need to switch gears.
Okay, now let's tune the washing machine, the motor. Here some have the washing machine metal. We have the washing machine, have the 70 watt, 80 watt, and 120 watt, 150 watt. So 70 watt and 80 watt is dehydration motor. So 120 watt. Now it's different. Now 120 watt and now 150 watt is water motor, washing metal. Then it's universal. You're looking here. It's universal. This type suitable for many brand washing machine. It's same fan motor. You can choose copper inside the copper or the aluminum wire.
Okay. Now we also have other 2 hot cell models. One is like this. This one, you could choose 10 mm or 12 mm for the shaft size here. 10 or 12. And also have different watts available.
Yes, have the another one, this one, hot cell, this motor. Same before the universal motor. It have the this one is have the 10 mm and the 12 mm. You can look in. That one is different, different, and this one is different.
Okay.
Yes. Now let's take the worry the most station of the fan motor and the washing machine motors.
Okay. And this one is normal fan motor. Since it already with capacitor, so we can just connect the wires. Now, 不要关那么快。So we first look this table fan motor. The line cannot touch together here, and now the fan motor shaft is rotating, and then the gearbox here. Gearbox here also rotating. Okay.
Okay, now try another motor.
这是什么扇来着？
那个 box fan。你要帮我抓一下。
And this one is box fan. Have you seen it?
Okay. Now I try another motor.
这是什么扇？
排气扇。
排气扇怎么说？
你跟他说那是跟他那个刚才那一样。
Exhaust fan. This one is exhaust fan.
Now it's moving.
It's working now.
Now try washing machine and motor.
这是通用的吗？
不是，这才是通用。你要抓紧点。
嗯，等一下。
Okay. Now it's working now.
Is this the refrigeration motor?
This one is 70 watt.
Okay. Yes.
This is universal.
This one is universal washing machine motor. It's 80 watt. 80 watt. Wow.
Strong power.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this model is very strong.
Yes. Now,
Okay, now that's all we want to show today. Thank you for your kindly patience. For more details, don't hesitate to contact us. We would be appreciate if you give us likes. Yeah.
yes. Finally, wish you have the next day. See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.